Assalamualaikum, assalamualaikum.
Salam, hey.
Guys, I'm sure a lot of people are wondering what's inside that bag. Is it okay if we do a quick tour?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
I'll take it for sure.
So if I start from the outside, slings for your shoulder and some dressings, simple things like plasters, etc. Basically, some personal protective equipment that allows us to sort of be clean as possible when responding. All of these bags are removable, and we've kind of like allocated each bag to a particular sort of medical problem. So this is we call this the asthma and allergy bag. So it's got inhalers, it's got creams and anti-allergy medication, and then we've got what we call the heart attack kit. So we've got some spray under the tongue, aspirin, antibiotics for people who have common infections like chest, urine, or abdominal infections, saline washes to clean wounds. We've got these lights to shine in people's eyes as a pen torch. We've got tissue glue. If you've got a cut that doesn't need any stitches, we just glue it back together. Glucose boost, so people who are suffering from hypoglycemia or low blood sugar, people who are diabetic or have taken too much insulin. Got some EpiPens for anaphylaxis, which is a life-threatening allergic reaction. We've got these things that go into your nose to stop a nosebleed. These syringes are to measure the syrups we give to children.
Past that stage, we've got something called an AED, which is essentially a defib. So if your heart were to stop, this is a device you connect with pads, you check what the rhythm is, and it will shock you according to what the rhythm is. It's a vital bit of kit. Hopefully we don't need to use it. We need to be prepared for all circumstances.
Yeah, like I said, I hope we don't get to use any of this, but it's amazing that you have it on site. Could I give it a quick wear? So immediately, I'm falling behind.
If you need any help or anyone needs any help, they can just wave at a red bag and come and get us.
Jazakallah guys for your help, and may Allah bless you all. Jazakallah.